Typhoon Gamy has unleashed relentless rains, causing severe flooding in Manila and surrounding cities. This prompted officials to close schools, offices, and suspend flights on Wednesday. The storm's impact has led to a declaration of a state of calamity in a region home to approximately 13 million people. Although Gamy did not make landfall in the Philippines, it has intensified the monsoon rains, triggering landslides and inundating areas in recent days. The typhoon is gaining strength as it moves toward Taiwan. The National Disaster Agency reports at least 12 fatalities, with over 600,000 individuals displaced. In some regions, floodwaters have risen to neck-high levels. The Philippine Coast Guard has reported that 260 passengers and 16 vessels are stranded at ports, while the airport authority confirms the cancellation of 114 flights departing Manila on Wednesday. Additionally, financial markets have been shut down. During a Wednesday briefing, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. instructed disaster relief agencies to extend aid and prepare supplies for communities cut off by the floods.
Ay, mabait!
Mayors from 16 cities within Greater Manila have appealed for emergency funds to manage the crisis. In Marikina, a riverside city severely affected by the deluge, emergency personnel navigated waist-deep waters using rubber dinghies to evacuate residents from their submerged homes. Some residents have sought refuge in churches, finding solace among religious icons. "We lost everything. The floodwater rose to the second floor, destroying all our possessions," lamented Lynn Barris, who found shelter in a nearby church. Social media platforms are filled with images of vehicles stranded or swept away by torrents in submerged streets and highways. The Philippines faces an average of 20 tropical storms annually, often resulting in floods and catastrophic landslides. As Gamy approaches Taiwan, the island has preemptively closed schools, suspended its stock market, and declared a typhoon holiday on Wednesday. The storm is expected to reach northeastern Taiwan by 10 p.m. President William Lai Ching-te has urged citizens to prioritize safety during an emergency briefing earlier in the day. In anticipation of the storm's impact, authorities have evacuated over 200 residents from vulnerable locations in 3 northern regions, focusing particularly on Hualien, an area prone to landslides due to its mountainous terrain. Transportation has been heavily affected, with train and ferry services halted and more than 250 international flights canceled on Wednesday. As water levels continue to rise, communities are coming together to support each other. Local government units and non-governmental organizations are working tirelessly to distribute relief kits, including food, water, and medical supplies, to those in evacuation centers. Volunteers are joining the efforts, assisting in rescue operations and providing comfort to displaced families.